Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today we got something special here, finally on the cards. A change of scenery. I'll just turn the camera off and you can see. That's Joshua. Oh. Nah, it's actually the Ranix. We're getting the Ranix, guys. But nah, this is the current bond find, guys. This is the current prop. May probably be new daily. This is actually, I'm not gonna say much more. But yeah, this is a 2003, I believe, Audi S3 8L. Opel? Huh? Opel? Listen. You okay? Why do you look so foul in the sun? In the video? Guys, this is the new project pretty much. Obviously I'll show you the inside when the owner comes out so we can get the keys out, but yeah, I am pretty much, not even pretty much, what I'm gonna say, I am extremely excited, guys. This is a car I've wanted since I don't even know how long, but I've always wanted Audi S3 like this, and now it's coming into play. So yeah, this is gonna be like my little bond find. Okay, I'm gonna give her a wash now, guys. She's out and about, like, in case you didn't mention the name yet. Welcome home, Zyra. This is Zyra, Z-Y-R-A. There we go. So yeah, that's, I can't even say anything more. I'm just like that excited, guys. But yeah, so I'm gonna give her a wash, a well-needed wash. I'm really gonna enjoy this. See if I can get that on camera. Look at that shit. What the flip? That's all from the car, obviously. almost forgot to film this, which I did kind of, but you know what, I left something for you guys. You can see so that's that, guys. She's clean-ish. Or she's clean now, yeah. Just gonna take her for a first drive. And then I think I'll end the video. Look at that! You know, other than the power steering, she actually drives days. She's got a bit of a vibration on the power steering. But it actually drives like nice. Like, what? Yes, what? Well, that looks nice. What? Guys, I love this. I love this too much. My windows also can't open. This one is stuck, and that one I struggled to close it again, so I'm just like not bothered by it. I'm just leaving it. But yeah. So let me just end the video here now because I just got other stuff to do, not regarding with the car. But I hope you guys are excited for this new project. I know I definitely am. I hope you guys are excited to see some new content. And I thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.